Hey everyone, Sean here. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to make this quick video just to say thank you. We've hit 500 subscribers. This is a milestone that I never thought in my head was possible. It was never the intention of this channel. In fact, this channel started as a way to send videos to friends of mine, mentors of mine, and they would review my shaving technique. They would review my lathering technique, my honing technique, and they would give me tips about it. Somewhere along the lines that changed. Other people started asking me for advice, and communication started, and then other content creators started replying to my videos. I replied to their videos, and a really nice sort of group circle formed around us, which I'm really happy to be a part of. And so, yeah, that was the whole premise of the channel. Somewhere along the lines, it evolved, and here we are now with 500 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Really, I don't know if I deserve it. I appreciate it, and I'm always grateful for it because you guys are. I've said this before. You guys are paying us with the most valuable currency there is out there, which is time. Time is a type of resource that you never get back. You can get money back, you can get whatever back, but time you can't get back. And so when you guys are watching my videos, you're never going to get that back. And so why am I saying this? Well, because in the future, I want you guys to expect from me better quality content. So I want to make better videos. And that takes time. I know it takes time. It is in the back of my mind, and I want to make that clear. But I want you guys to expect better videos, and that can mean so many things. That can mean better audio, better video quality, better angles, better products being used, better visuals. Another important subject that I have to talk about is product reviews. So as I get more viewers and there's companies and artisans that are looking at my channel and they're interested because I have a big reach. And so a lot of companies have reached out to me. And so I think it's about time I start. I thought I saw something. It's about time that I start making these product reviews. I want to give my voice and my opinion on these products. But I want to make something clear, and that's transparency. If you're a company and you're watching my product review, just know that transparency, and I have a connection with these viewers, so I have to be transparent. I can't just say this is the best thing ever if it isn't. So I will be transparent with my viewers, and yeah, the companies that I'm going to be working with, they know that, and they have to know that. So I will not be making any first impression videos on products. If you're a company and you're watching this video, do not send me things for first impressions if you want a quick video, because that's not going to happen. I'm not interested in that. If I make a video, it has to be a review. It has to be a product that I try for at least, I don't know, a week, 2 weeks, and then I'll make my product review. Because I have to get my ideas and the things I've seen that I'm using on this product, I have to process it and put it into paper and see, okay, it changed, and then it was this way in the first day, but then it was that way by the end of it. So transparency is key, and yeah, it makes a healthy relationship between viewer, creator, and the company, the artisans. So this channel was created because of the inspiration and passion that I have for straight razor shaving and the wet shaving community in general, and I want to keep it that way. I want to talk about other subjects sometime, maybe in the future, maybe health, fitness, but at its core, honing, shaving, ASMR type of content is what I'm interested in providing. And so that is the heart, the core of what this channel is. So I want to provide value to you guys when it comes to those aspects. Lastly, I always say this in my videos, but I always have this phrase that I've said for a while now. I said I always read and reply to all your comments, and I really do. I have my email in my about section, so if you guys have any honing questions, I've gotten so many questions. Like a month ago, I was getting so many Codicle questions, and I got replies from you guys, getting good success out of them, and so that gives me joy. That kind of like bolsters me up. So feel free to contact me. Some of you guys even have my personal phone number. Just know that your opinion matters, and that if you have any suggestions, make sure you leave them. I will get back to you. If there's something you don't like, something you would like to see, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. Contact me through my email. And again, I can't say this enough, but thank you for giving me your time and for being here in this nice little circle that we have. So have a good one. I hope I didn't take too much of your time. I hope you have a good week. See you in the next one. Bye.